Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get this look. We're gonna be doing an entire full face of makeup using only drugstore products that you can find in Walgreens or CVS. All these amazing products can get you this look, and it's gonna be like half the price of what you spend in Sephora or Ulta. It's all about the technique. It's just about the right product that you find and the brushes, of course. All the products will be listed down below. I hope that you really enjoy this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. And I'm super excited to get this started. So first thing first, you always want to put on a moisturizer or a primer, something prior to doing your makeup. You don't want to just do it on bare skin, because if you want your makeup to last, use a moisturizer, use something for your face. Once this has dried up, we are ready to begin with our foundation. I am so excited, you have no idea. It's almost done drying. We're gonna go ahead and use our foundation. It's gonna be the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I don't know who wears foundation for 24 hours, but it's freaking awesome. Oh, and the best thing about this, it comes in a pump. Isn't that fantastic? It's amazing. Love it. I did like 2 little pumps, nothing like that. Go ahead and dot it in my face. And then this sponge that I'm using, this is also from the drugstore, Real Techniques sponge. It's freaking awesome. Oh, this foundation is so matte. It is full coverage. It is covering my life. Oh my God. All right, let's hide these raccoon eyes. We're gonna use favorite freaking concealer of all freaking time. We're gonna be using the Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Concealer. Freaking awesome. I use this literally every single day for like, I don't know, 5-6 years. It's freaking awesome. And it's in the drugstore. Great thing I love about this concealer is that it really hides like all the imperfections, so it really does blend in beautifully. And sure enough, we're gonna prime the eyes with the same concealer because we're gonna do an eye look today as well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set what we just concealed with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. You can actually get this at Walmart. It's like so brightening, and it's freaking huge, and it'll last a lifetime. With the same sponge, I'm gonna bake what we just did. Cool. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Finish Pressed Powder. It's just very, very, very lightweight. And we're gonna use this just at the rest of the face. You know. Next, we're gonna do bronzer. So this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells like Hawaii. It's just so good. It looks matte, but it does have a little bit of a satin finish. It's nothing crazy, nothing glittery, and it's awesome. We're gonna carve out the cheekbone. You just do that little shape of the C you created. Next thing, let's go ahead and do an eye look. So this is gonna be the Milani Pure Passion eye palette, and we are gonna be using this beautiful, fiery, smoky, this isn't even warm tone, this is fire, like pure fire, what we're gonna be doing now, so get ready. We're gonna be using this color right here for our crease. I'm so excited. A little bit of a deeper color here, we're gonna go in with this color here. It is called Spice It Up. Let's spice this look up. So we're gonna be using the Morphe M433 brush for this. I'm gonna deepen in that outer corner there. Give yourself a more bronzier look. Okay, these shadows are blending in just phenomenally, beautifully, with very, very little effort. We're gonna deepen that up even more. We're gonna use this color right over here. It's called Heat Is On. Oh, it's on. These colors are amazing. It is blending in just how we want it. We're gonna go ahead and use the color Lust and Luminous. Oof, I'm obsessed. A bit more of a peachy color here on that eyelid. It's gonna be called Pink Sand right over here. I'm gonna add that with the same flat brush that we use. Oh, let's make that a coppery pink eyelid. So pretty, so pretty. For our winged eyeliner, we're gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Eyeliner. Beautiful. Yes. We are ready to do our waterline, and we're gonna be using the one I use every single day, my Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil, and this is what I use for my waterline. Done. Great. I'm gonna go ahead and use on my lash line, Heat is On. We're gonna be using that. And we're gonna warm up that bottom lash line even further, and we're gonna be using the color Spice It Up, and we're gonna go right beneath what we just did. These eyeshadow colors are just blending in so beautifully. It's really incredible. It really is. For eyebrows, we're gonna be using NYX Professional Makeup Brow Pencil. Funny story, I left my my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil at home, and of course I can't show up anywhere without brows, so I just went to CVS and I picked this one up, and I've been using it every day. Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil was like $25 and this was like half the price. Just have to take a little bit of your time with it, but if you want to save half the price, it does literally the same exact thing. Next thing we're gonna do is mascara, and we are gonna be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, this one right over here. This mascara is just so good because it's so natural. It doesn't clump up your eyelashes, and it literally stays on all day long, and it just gives this amazing volume. And one thing I don't like about mascaras that happens even to high-end mascaras, you could pay $35 for mascara and you'll still get a clumpy mess. But with this one, nope. This one is just like perfection. Next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is my blush. This one we're gonna be using Burts Bees Blush in Toasted Cinnamon. This cute little, look how cute, it's like a honeycomb. Oh yeah, you see? Beautiful peachy color, beautiful. Look at this. All drugstore, could you believe that? All drugstore. For highlight, we're gonna be using the most amazing highlight in the drugstore. It's called the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight right here. Amazing highlighter from the drugstore. Look at this. It's like gold. Wow. So good. I really was so surprised when I tried out this highlighter. I was like, what is this hype all about? You're gonna be glowing to the gods. I do get a little carried away sometimes with highlighter, but who doesn't? Look at this. Beautiful. For lipstick, we're going to be using our Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Groundbreaker, which is this one right over here. It's a beautiful burnt red, slightly a little bit of an orange tint because we're going for a fiery look today. Amazing. Let's see. Hi. This color, this is a different red. This is like this red that's not like a appley red, but it's more of like orangey, burnt orangey reds. Don't even know. Like, there's such incredible things. And the point of this video that I was trying to make is that it could be very overwhelming when you go to a Sephora store, when you go to like an Ulta, like you don't know where to start. But these products are honestly the best products in the drugstore, and I usually live by these products, and they've been all a long time fave of mine. So I hope you enjoyed. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to continue seeing videos like this, please feel free to leave a comment down below, like it, subscribe, you know the drill.